Kung gusto mo dumami ang benta mo, just copy this strategy. Merong famous experiment called the JAM study. No? Sa JAM study na to, may isang supermarket kasi na nag-set up ng dalawang tasting booths sa jam. No? Yung isang booth, there are 6 options ng jam. Yung isa naman, there are 24 options ng jam. No? At alam mo kung anong interesting? Yung booth na may 24 options, maraming lumapit. Pero alam mo ba kung ano ang pinakamaraming benta? Yung 6 options lang na booth. That's when I learned, the fewer the options, the higher the sales. Why? Kasi it avoids the overwhelm of buyers in making a decision. No? Akala kasi natin na mas natutulungan natin yung mga customers kapag mas marami tayong choices. Pero madalas, mas lalo lang natin silang nililito. At habang mas nahihirapan silang mag-decide, they're less likely to buy. Kaya if you want to make more money, offer less options. Because a confused mind doesn't buy. This is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.